Hello everyone, I'm currently outside and taking a walk. Unfortunately, the rain has stopped after what seems like a continuous rain since yesterday. So in where I am standing, we can currently tell there's a vast expanse of rice fields expanding and expanding hectares with a majestic Mount Asog that suddenly and unfortunately, sadly, it was covered by clouds. So that portion is where the Mount Asog located. Then this portion was where the Mount Isarug located. So, despite the lack of many recognized tourist spots in our area, or perhaps they're just not nervy. So now, here I am at our rooftop. This rooftop was my favorite spot. Maybe it's kinda like scary to go up, but it's all worth it because look at the view. It's mesmerizing the beauty or seeing the beauty of the two mountains. But we're unlucky today. We can't see the Mount Asug as of now. So being here refreshes my minds and brings peacefulness in my inner self